The ginger plant has a long history of uses in traditional health practices and continues to be trusted for its soothing properties that you can enjoy in this ginger throat lozenge. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's ginger digestive drops. The primary use for this is internal, and the benefits of the ginger drops are that these are a sweet and spicy ginger lemon flavor that support healthy digestion and reduce occasional nausea, stomach discomfort, and indigestion. The directions for use are dissolving one drop slowly in your mouth as needed. Typically, the morning, noon, or night are good times to do that. And then for children under 5, make sure to consult with a physician before use. And these ginger drops go in really good partnership throughout the day when you're using the On Guard drops as well as the Breathe Throat drops. And so this is kind of like a good trio that you can add to your wellness lifestyle. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.